Sometimes you find yourself trying to let go of something, but it's like you've been swimming in the ocean for a very, very long time, and you feel like you belong there. You are one with the waves, the warmth of the water, and your body moves in sync with the ocean, and you swim around just trying to stay afloat. And then you get tired and you start to drown, and you swim back to land. When you get there, you just feel so heavy because you lost touch with gravity for so long. And you collapse on the beach as you try to find balance again. And then your feet finds gravity. You stand up and you look at the horizon one last time. And you just know that no matter how beautiful the sea was, and how good it made you feel, it was never yours to keep. And some days you'll miss it, you know? You feel yourself moving with the waves, and you dream of diving in. And you realize that your feet was meant for land. You're not cut out for the ocean. Maybe you're meant to climb trees or hike hills or just run really fast. Letting go is not easy. There's nothing quite like swimming in the ocean. Just like how it's natural for your feet to find gravity, it's natural for you to let go and find your true purpose in life again. The sea is the sea, and you are just you. I have to let go, but sometimes I find myself waking up at the beach again.
I will fight for you.